turn the key to there. No, to there. All right. Well, I'll leave it there now.
Yeah.
I'll just wiggle the HT lead, and when I say, not before, because you'll give me a shock. When I say, just turn the key, and the engine should start.
Okay.
Don't do it before.
Alright.
Harry, go.
Ah! No,
What?
not before. You gave me a shock then. Wait.
Sorry.
Right, now listen. Don't do it before. I had hold of the HT lead. It's not funny.
Sorry.
Don't. Concentrate. I'm serious.
Okay.
Be serious.
Yes, I will.
It's not funny. It blimmin' hurt.
Oh.
Okay, when I say not before.
Okay.
Harry, go.
Ah!
It's a bit stressing.
You got me again.
Sorry.
Not before.
Okay. I'm a bit tired.
Are you winding him up?
No.
Well, don't wind
Yes,
him up.
She is.
Don't wind him up. It hurts. And there's a fan belt in there as well. I could get a flipping whack.
Oh my God.
Stop laughing.
Sorry, I can't keep it
Now
straight.
do it sensibly or don't do it at all.
Okay.
You go and put your hand in there and I'll show you where to put it. Right, now listen. Don't do it before.
Okay.
I'll tell you when.
Did you not hear him go?
Ah! Oh! No!
Sorry.
Idiot!
Sorry. Sorry. I didn't mean it. Emma said.
Just leave it alone.
Okay.
Pack it in. Just leave it alone. Don't touch anything. Wait there.
Harry, go.
No! No! Leave it alone! Leave it alone! Give me the bloody keys. Get over there. Get over there. Do it myself. Right.